Hello everyone, welcome to the MDTube channel. This is Dündar Yılmaz. I'm a computational material scientist. I run molecular dynamics simulations to understand the chemistry and physics of the material. I work as a research professor at Pennsylvania State University. In this channel, I will publish short videos about tools and techniques that I use every day. In the previous video, we checked out Text Editor VI. Let's continue with the terminal. Terminal is the basic interface to the kernel of the operating system. As I mentioned in the previous video, I run my simulations on supercomputer systems. I connect these systems via terminal. You can do many operations on terminal, including copying, deleting files, creating, deleting folders, searching files, etc. Also, you can run utility apps such as VI or GNUplot to create input scripts or basic plotting. Here we are on a terminal at Penn State supercomputer. To copy a file, we type cp as copy and the location of the file to be copied, vim introduction, and copy this file to current folder. Here dot is a shortcut for the current folder. So to check the contents of the folder, simply type ls as a shortcut to list or ls-all, which gives a more detailed information about the contents. Or if you like to see the size of the files in terms of gigabytes or megabytes, you can type ls-hall is a shortcut to human readable information as h. To create a new folder, we can type make directory, let's say test. We have now a folder in our current folder. To delete a file, we type rm, stands for remove, let's say dundarbio.txt, and another shortcut is when you type something, if you hit the tab, it will autocomplete. For instance, I want to copy that file dundarbio.txt again, so simply I start typing the path, the shell will complete it. So when we create a folder, we can change directory to that folder, or if we type cd dash, it will go to last folder. Another shortcut is the tilde character, which means the home folder. For instance, if we type cd tilde, it goes to home folder. If you want to print the working directory, simply type pwd, print working directory. If you want to remove a directory, you type rm -r as directory. Let's create that folder again. To see the contents of a file, you can either open with VI or you can type more dundarbio.txt, or you can type less dundarbio.txt, or you can do cat concatenate dundarbio.txt. So the cat is different than less and more. It will print the contents. You can direct that printout to another file. For instance, dundarbio greater sign, let's say new file .txt. So it will read the contents of the dundarbio.txt and prints into the new file. So if you like to check the new file, you'll say like this. So you can concatenate more than one file, a new file, so you will have contents of both files. So you just concatenate two text files into a new file. For more information on any command, you can type man and name of the command. When we type commands on terminal, these commands are sent to a software which converts these into machine-readable instructions. We call this software a shell. Most common shells are Bash, C shell, and K shell. For instance, the default shell for the macOS terminal is Bash. The shell is actually an interpreter similar to Python. You can write small programs to do some tasks on the system. We call these small programs shell scripts. I will make another video to introduce shell scripting. If you have any questions or share some cool comments about terminal, please drop a line under comment section. Thank you for watching.